This 2026 Winnebago Micro Mini 1800BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 21 feet 11 inches in length and features sleep 6, water heater, refrigerator, TV antenna, TV, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, smoke detector, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, awning, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Winnebago Micro Mini 1800BH is 3,714 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.